everybody, it's Dr. Nicole from Healing Hands in Manahawkin. I bet that your pediatrician has never told you to have your child's spine checked. Well, I'm going to share with you a case study that actually shows that every child should be having their spine checked the same way that we have our teeth checked. Let me show you. So I want to show you a case study about Margaret. Margaret is just a 4-year-old little girl, and she was suffering with inflammation in her neck and head. But most importantly, her immune system was so crashed that she was having chronic ear infections, and she was on round after round of antibiotics, and nothing was working. So the pediatrician wanted to put tubes in her ears, and her mom was just not ready for that. So her mom looked for different avenues to strengthen Margaret's body, and one of them was to look at her spine, see how her nervous system was functioning. So this is a good way to determine how a person's nervous system is functioning, is to look at the structure of their spine. And the reason why that is because this, for example, is Margaret's neck from the side. When you look at the neck from the side, you're supposed to have a normal forward curve, like the shape of a banana. But when you look at Margaret's neck, you can see that she lost most of that curve, and in fact, up here, it's actually tilting the wrong way. So when we lose this curve, what that does is it puts a tremendous amount of pressure on the spinal cord and also the delicate nerves that exit the spine. And that pressure slows information from the brain into the body, which weakens the body and creates disease. So after we took this film, we were able to start treatment on restoring the structure to Margaret's neck and to her spine. And after just 6 weeks of spinal correction, this is what was able to be restored in this little girl's neck. So you can see that her neck is a whole lot healthier. And what this does is that takes a tremendous amount of pressure off of her spine and off of her nervous system, allowing more energy to flow from her brain into her body, allowing the body to be stronger, not only structurally, but also stronger overall. And when the spine and the nervous system is nice and relaxed, the body has a better ability to adapt and also to heal without medications and even sometimes without surgeries. So I wanted to share this case study with you just briefly because I know that there are a lot of kids out in our community who are suffering with things like allergies and asthma and a weakened immune system and chronic cold and chronic ear infections. And I just want to let you know that sometimes there are other ways besides just medications and just surgeries in order to help your child's body to heal naturally. So hopefully this was of value to you, and hopefully you gleaned some great information to make even stronger health decisions, not only for yourself, but for your kids as well.